Hey guys, in this video I want to introduce you to automated trading with Pionex. What's automated trading? Well, it's trading with bots, and you know how much I love bots. Now there are a number of different trading bots available on Pionex, including grid bots, DCA bots and TWAP bots, many of which I've mentioned before on the channel. But the bot we're going to take a look at in this video is the copy trading bot. Now before we get started, I just want to say thank you to Pionex for sponsoring this video. Pionex is a leading cryptocurrency exchange with licenses in 47 states in the US right now. Sign up for an account with Pionex and you can get a free $30 USDT bot. Watch till the end to find out how. Okay, if you're ready to go, let's get started. Okay guys, so this is the Pionex US app. Now as you can see, it's quite a clean interface. I prefer this white looking interface than some of these dark night themes, but obviously it's your preference. Across the top here we've got a number of options. We've got buy crypto, deposit, withdraw, support, community tabs. We've got a one-on-one call, we've got referrals. So if you've got referral codes, you can put them in there. And then we've got 2023 taxes. Then we've got some preset bots in this announcement panel down below, and then we've got another tab which is just announcements from the Pionex team. And then at the bottom we've got another menu option. We've got home, markets, bot, buy, sell and account. So obviously we click on markets, we can see what's going on in the markets and how particular cryptocurrencies are performing. We've got bots, so this is where we could create a bot from scratch. Now if you've seen any of my previous videos on creating bots on various platforms, you'll know you can create them basically from scratch and set up your own parameters, and that's what you would do here. Then we've got buy, sell, where we can buy and sell cryptocurrencies obviously, and then we've got an account, so we can take a look at our account and see, you know, how many how much funds we've got, etc., and obviously make any changes to our account, KYC and that kind of thing. Just coming back to this bots tab here, if I clicked on create and I wanted to create a new bot, I'm just going to ignore the authentication for now because I'm not going to create one here. But basically this is where you could create yourself a bot from scratch. And this is a list of all of the bots that are available. But then across the top here, we've got some tabs for strategy. So if you wanted to create a bot when the market was going sideways, and you could click on sideways and you can see what bots are available there. Grid trading bots, dollar cost averaging bots and smart trade. We've got bullish, so if the market is bullish or you're feeling particularly bullish, then you can choose one of these bots. And then we've got bearish, you know, if the market's on a downward trend. But we're not going to create one from scratch. What we're going to do is we're going to do copy trading, because that's what this video is about. So if we come back to home, we can see here down at the bottom, or as we scroll down, there's a number of different discussions that are started by people who have created bots, whose bots we can now copy. And we can see some of the details of the bots. So basically we've got a Bitcoin AI bot here, currently got 172 transactions. It's got a current profit of 4.57%, and 412 users have created this bot based off the one this particular user has created. Coming down a little bit further, we've got the same one, Bitcoin AI bot. Then we've got a Sol AI bot. So for if you're bullish on Solana, you can create this Solana AI bot, which has got a massive 76.82% profit. 151 users have created this, and 1.48 Bitcoin has been invested into this particular bot, so quite a big bot. And then we've got a few more as we come down. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose the Solana AI bot because I am quite bullish on Solana. I've got some Bitcoin already. I've got $100 of Bitcoin in my account here, so I'm going to use that. Now obviously you will need to send some funds from either a DEX or from your credit or debit card if you want to obviously buy some Bitcoin to then create a bot. I've sent some funds from my previous DEX. You can send it from KuCoin or crypto.com or Binance, whatever it is. If you've got some funds on there, you can just transfer it straight over to your Pionex account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create this Sol AI bot. So I simply click on create this bot, and then we can see the bot details. If you're looking for a higher risk reward bot, then this is a bot for you. It's similar to the most popular bots on the platform, the Bitcoin AI bot, but offers greater exposure to Solana. Obviously Solana is a little bit more volatile, I guess, than Bitcoin is. But I'm quite bullish on Solana. I think we've got lots of potential for Solana to generate us some good profits over the coming weeks, especially now we've had the Bitcoin halving. So I'm gonna go for this Solana AI bot, and especially as the APR since created is 76.81%, you know, that there's potential there for some really good profits. Now, I wouldn't suggest that you go greedy and just choose a bot purely for the high APRs, because, you know, just because that's what is currently happening doesn't mean that that's what's going to continue to happen. So obviously you've got to be careful when you're investing into these, and obviously put in what you're comfortable investing. You know, don't copy me just because I'm doing it, but the whole point is you will copy someone who is doing well from their bots. Now, across the top next to bot details is the tab that says my created bot. So if I clicked on that, you would see the bot that I created once I've created this. Obviously I haven't got one at the moment, but we'll come back to that shortly. So I'm going to click on bot details, and I'm just going to click at the bottom here and click on create, and then you can see all the parameters for this bot. Now I'm going to invest Bitcoin. You can invest USD if you want into this, but I've got some Bitcoin here on my Pionex account, so I'm going to click on Bitcoin, and then I'm going to click on how much of the Bitcoin. So I'm going to use all of it, 100%. Obviously if I wanted to just use half of it, then I'd just use this little marker here, or little slide to choose 50%, but I'm going to put all of it in. It's about $100 worth of Bitcoin that I'm going to put into this bot, and you can see it's divided it up for us, so it's already created 40 grids. Now we've spoke about grids before, but basically all it does, it will divide that full investment of $100 into 40 separate investments. So it will divide $100 by 40, and then each grid is a trade at a 40th of my $100, if you like. So the price range is 0.0015 to 0.004. The profit per grid is 0.44% to 1.48%. And that's it. That's all the parameters. Now, obviously, if you were creating your own trading bot, you could change some of these parameters, but because we're copying someone else's, everything is kind of fixed as per how this person set the bot up. We're going to click on confirm, and then it's saying you're going to invest into the Sol AI bot. You're going to invest 0.001561 Bitcoin, and then we've got some notes here. The bot will buy some Sol immediately to make sure that the bot can buy low and sell high automatically. The bought price and return on investment between the user and creator may differ due to the creation time. Okay, so we're happy with that. Click on confirm. Created successfully, and that's it. I can call the bot whatever I want. I'll call it, let me call it Sol, if I can spell, Sol AI. Click done, and we can put a photo if we want. And then there's some options. Why did you start creating? I'm going to leave that blank, but obviously you can put whatever you want in there, and then submit. And then we've got an avatar nickname. So this is basically so people can see within the community my name. I can change that to whatever I want. I'll put Simon K, so it will make more sense when we come to have a look later. Simon K. Click done. Click confirm, and that's it. Submit. So now, oh, I have to actually put something in there. Didn't last time. I didn't think I did last time, but maybe I did. Why did you start creating? Make profits. I guess you can put whatever you want in here. Submit. So that's my bot created. Now, obviously you can see all the parameters here in the balance overview. I've invested 0.001561 Bitcoin. I'm currently down by 0.04%. That usually always happens when you create a new bot. You usually start off in a little negative position, but I'm sure that will change pretty quickly. Obviously when the bot starts trading, buying and selling at those grid levels. And then we've got some further parameters down at the bottom here about the bot. Now, right at the very bottom, you can see there's some buttons, more and add investment. So if I click on them, I can add more to this bot if I wanted to. So if I wanted to say add another $100, I just click on, 100% if I've got that much Bitcoin in there, and then click on confirm, and it would add to that bot. But I'm going to leave it as it is. $100 invested into this Sol AI trading bot. It's a copy trading bot, and I will come back to this in a couple of weeks. Maybe I'll leave it for 2 weeks initially, maybe a month, and just see how it goes. I'll obviously be checking into it intermittently and seeing how well it's doing, but I will come back and report to you guys how well it's done over that duration. So that's how you create a copy trading bot here on Pionex. I'll come back to this bot in a couple of weeks and give you an update on how it's doing. Now, as a seasoned investor and trader of cryptocurrencies and having experienced various trading bots on the market, I can confidently say that Pionex stands out as one of the most user-friendly trading platforms available. Its seamless interface and straightforward configuration and its user-friendly interface make it a breeze to use, especially when it comes to copy trading. Now, this app is currently only available in the US App Store, but that doesn't stop you downloading it in other countries and signing up. KYC is required in order to trade with the bots and to withdraw your assets. Pionex's copy trading feature simplifies the process of replicating the trades of experienced traders, allowing users to benefit from their expertise with just a few clicks. Now, whether you're new to trading or a seasoned investor, Pionex offers a hassle-free experience that caters to all skill levels. Plus, with some fantastic sign-up bonuses available, there's never been a better time to join the Pionex community and take your trading to the next level. Sign up and pass KYC to earn a free bot with $30 invested at the beginning. The free bot campaign is only available on the US site. I'll leave all the links down below. Thanks for watching, guys.